A simple way to make more money is to add a bonus, especially as an affiliate marketer. When you're recommending a product and you want to enhance the value of the product, all you need to do is add a bonus. So when you start off with a strategy, for example, generating traffic over to an offer and then adding people to an email list, or what I call my top strategy, and you start generating traffic by creating consistent content and then letting people know that you have an offer, all you need to do at that stage is create a bonus. Now, in the world of marketing, this is called a bonus stack. Usually what you're trying to do is you're trying to increase the value of the product, both in real value and perceived value, by adding something substantial to the product itself. Now, bonus can also be just something that is standalone that people find valuable, that some group in your audience might find valuable as just a standalone product. So they would be interested in purchasing just for that product itself as a standalone product. But that's not what we're talking about today. Today, I want to talk to you about a methodology or a way of thinking to fill the gap. 3 steps in this idea or this concept. Step 1, crush the competition. Step 2, format. Step 3, brainstorm better. And to break down each one of those steps in a little further detail, step 1 means look at other people's bonuses. Take a look at the competition, see what they're doing, and again, crush the competition, or to think of that in another way, think about how you can look and see what they're providing and say to yourself, I know that they have a good product, that's a really good bonus, but what can I do to make it better? Now, there is a very simple way to do that, and we're going to talk about that a little bit later, but right now we're going to move on to step 2, pick a bonus format. PDFs, videos, or a combination of both. Typically, when we're talking about digital products, but even for physical products, you could still send them a PDF or give them a PDF download or a series of videos to talk about how to actually use the physical product or do something very special with that product, maybe even how to put it together or how to position it, or something very unique based upon your perspective. And then we move on to step 3, and that is simply to set aside time to brainstorm your bonus and then actually create it. So then we go back again, fill the gap, crush your competition, format, and then brainstorm better to create a better, more valuable bonus. Now, as I said earlier, the thing that makes your bonus unique is you, and the best bonus is you and your perspective. So don't underestimate that when you're looking at how to actually make your bonus better than what you see from your competition. Now, a real world example, what bank has the best signing bonus? And to make you understand that when you're looking at a bonus, these exist in every niche or any idea or any concept where people are selling a product or providing a service. What bank has the best signing bonus? Here you can see these are different types of banks. If you open a banking account or a deposit account, a savings deposit account, or some type of investment account, you can see that typically they're going to offer you a bonus. And each one of these banks has offered up their own unique bonus. Of course, it typically comes in a larger number or more quantity, but that's not always the case. And don't lean too heavily on thinking that more is better. Take a look at what your competition is doing and think about the format and how you want to deliver the bonus, as well as what is your unique perspective. What do you bring to the table that people are going to appreciate in both real value and the perceived value that you're giving, or the way that you're presenting your bonus? Again, going back to the format and how you actually deliver it. Now, let me give you a real example. Here's a product I promote. It's called the Simple Profit Blueprint. This is a bonus page. So this is how I let people know about the offer or the bonus that I have for this offer if they were to pick it up. Here you can see that I'm simply just letting people know about the product, and then I am giving my bonus. Again, these are real products that I've created, as well as I'm offering up a 30-minute strategy call with me. So again, this is giving myself or understanding that you are the best bonus. So access or direct access to you, either in real time, like a live call, or some type of recorded call if they were able to ask questions. Also, you can see here I have email coaching. So this isn't live, but it's still direct access to me, as well as offering up my own training and my own point of view inside of some truth reports that I write and give away, all to enhance the product or fill in the gaps that people might be missing once they see this product and they become interested in this product. And to go back for a second and take a look at additional ideas or concepts when you're talking about bonuses is the marketing angle itself. you are trying to increase the real value, but the perceived value. So on the marketing side, what you want to do is you want to highlight the gaps. Then you want to emphasize your exclusivity, meaning this product comes from you. No one else has it. They can't deliver it. No one else can give away a 30-minute call from me except for me. Same for you. Your time is valuable to the people that are interested because based upon the fact that they have watched your content, they believe in your message, and they want to check out your recommendations based on the fact that you're recommending the product, then this shows real value. But you can also provide, or you can put an actual value amount on it. In my case, these are real products that I'm offering up in my bonus, so they have real value because if someone actually buys them as a standalone product, they have a real price. So again, I go back to this idea of the concept, and you take a look at the page and then you offer up your bonus, and then people will be able to see your bonuses, and then you can reference the real value in a dollar amount if you choose. And then you move on to taking a look at the offer itself. And this is kind of before we get to where we are now, because this is your core offer, or this is a core offer based upon the topic of the content that you're creating. So you are working to solve this problem. Then you go back and then you look at the message. So you take a look at how much the product is worth, exactly what the steps are. In this case, there's 6 steps of how to create passive income. So I'm looking at this product as a whole, and I'm looking for a marketing angle. Of course, this is talking about doing YouTube. So in my case, I do YouTube. So it's valuable that I can offer up my insights, ideas, or potential different angles that I could offer based upon what's inside of the course. When people want to start pursuing this avenue, or they get inside of this training, they're going to see certain things. And based upon my experience, I can then show them what's missing or fill in the gaps that might be in the training. Because at the end of the day, not every product is perfect. It's never going to be perfect. And there's going to be things that you see, especially because you know what your audience is interested in. You know where your audience is at. And then based upon your recommendation, when you go through the training, and I'm using this as an example when we're talking about doing training, but any product out there, you can see the things they're going to need help with. Even though you're recommending the product's not perfect. So the idea here to increase your money or to make more money by adding your bonus is to make sure that you fill in those gaps to make the product as perfect as possible. So now here you are, and you have decided that you're going to create a bonus. Then you have looked and you're going to fill all the gaps. But how do you actually deliver the bonus? What is the mechanism? What is the actual tool that you need and the technology? And how much time are you going to spend with these tools and this technology to deliver the bonus? And again, make sure that you're providing real value and both perceived value in the way that you deliver this additional information. So for me, I create my products and I deliver them digitally. In the case of my truth reports or my reports about making money online, you could see this is a collection of the products, or this is a portal, and I add all of my products in here. So if I am to give one of these away, you can see that they have access to it by clicking the start button. But then also, if they want to see an additional one, they can click buy now, which doesn't benefit them necessarily, except for the fact that they have direct access to make a purchase to get this additional information. But more so for me, I'm able to increase my chances of revenue because I'm giving away a quality product inside of a portal or a members area where all my products are delivered, and then they can see that, and then they can purchase that product. And again, this is for me to make more money by giving my product or utilizing a tool and a technology and spending the time to set up the perceived value and the fact that they have a portal of all this information readily available to them. And I have given them a real product with a real price or an actual amount of money that it would cost if they buy it themselves, so they can actually see the value of this product when they log into their portal. And again, here's my course inside of affiliating. So if they were to click start to actually dive into the training and get the benefit of the bonus, as well as I've offered up additional bonus sections here. So if they were to click on one of those bonus sections, so a bonus inside of a bonus of an actual product, then you can see here I'm delivering up videos. I have links. I have additional PDF content in here as well. Also linking out to my YouTube channel or other resources, or even someone else's video that might provide real value, but all inside of an actual members area or a real product where they are getting this genuine or actual value, but also the perceived value, again, because of the time that I've spent to utilize these tools and this technology to deliver this product So they understand that I'm taking this serious and I'm providing them a real product that I sell as a standalone product. So it's not just something that I slap together real quick to say, hey, look at this great bonus. No, I've actually delivered a real bonus based upon the content, again, based upon what it is I see, based upon the time that I've taken to go through the product and fill the gaps in the product, or just say, you know what, you're missing a few critical pieces in this product because they kind of jumped ahead, or maybe they left a gap when they went from step 1 to step 2 or step 3, and this product is going to fill that gap for you, and that's simply all you need to do to increase or have the potential to increase the money that you make as an affiliate when you make a recommendation for a product. So making more money boils down to, again, the top strategy of Traffic Offer People, generating traffic over to an offer, and then moving into step 5 and saying, you know what, I'm really going to think about how I can add real value or fill the gaps in the product that I make recommendations on, because at the end of the day, no product is ever going to be perfect, but I can make it a little more or get it a little closer to perfect by showing people exactly what it is that is missing, but not devalue the product based upon those missing pieces, but just to let them know that this product I'm recommending has value, but I'm going to increase the value by adding a product that I already have that adds value, or creating a very specific product, or the ultimate bonus is giving up your time, and in that case, just doing a one-on-one call or giving them an email address. So if they have questions, they can reach out to you based upon the fact that they know that you've been through the product or that you understand how the product is going to work. And this is how you add a bonus, a real bonus, and this is how you increase your money as an affiliate marketer when you recommend a product and you offer real value. If you'd like to see more about how I deliver those bonuses in that product that I showed you, where I host all of my digital products, my real products, as well as any bonus that I create specifically to give away as a bonus, go ahead and check out this video. I look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.